good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I hope everybody is fine. You're all welcome to today's lesson. Today is going to be another special day for us on Me with Passion TV. But before I continue, please, I would like you to share, invite, and subscribe to this very channel. At least keep this ball rolling. Keep it rolling, and also help in doing the work of an evangelist, especially to evangelize about this very channel. It's a wonderful channel. Oh yeah, very wonderful, very educative. Here you will learn a lot of things. Yeah, and this is the best place to be, where you can't afford to miss, okay? You can't afford to, declining, for being part of our moving train. All right. Today is a wonderful day. And without much ado, we are going to. Last week, we talked about we call it monotony. Some words that look alike in Igbo language, they are not the same. That was the one we talked about last week. How you know they have the same sound, but they don't look, or they don't have the same meaning. The same sound, but they don't have the same meaning. That was the one we discussed last week. We call it homonyms. Homonyms. Today we are going to look at, but before then, here na moving asụsụ Igbo. Asụsụ Igbo. Ya mụ ga asụsụ Igbo. Tata bụkwanụ abalị asatọ nke ọnwa iri n'ime afọ puku abụọ na iri abụọ na abụọ, 8th of October 2022. And ihe a na-amụ maka taa bụ Udaume Na Mgbochiume. Udaume Na Mgbochiume. Udaume Na Mgbochiume. Ọ bụ ihe a na-amụ maka ya taa. In English language, it is called consonants and vowels, or vowels and what? Consonants. This vowel, while this one is consonant. This one is consonant. So these are the things we are going to look into today. Na mkpụrụ ụbọchị ole na ole gara aga, ya bụ izu ndị nke gara aga, o nwerekwu ndị a legara anya. Some weeks ago we studied about the Igbo alphabet, when we are able to recite Abidi, and our students were able to compose words, 3-letter words, and they composed those words according to how they understood it, and they all got it right. So last week was the one we studied about homonyms. Then today we are studying about consonant and vowels in Igbo language. It's a very good thing for you to know some consonants and some vowels in what? In Igbo language. Like I said, in English language, they have their own vowel. We have our own vowel. We also have our own consonants. And we got these consonants and these vowels in that or in those alphabets. It's not outside those alphabets. Ebe a sị nweta Udaume Na Mgbochiume, ọ bụkwa site na gịnị n'ụmụ abịdị Igbo ahụ, mkpụrụ edemede Igbo ndị ahụ ka anyị si nweta gịnị Udaume na gịnị na Mgbochiume. Ọ bụghị ebe ọzọ anyị azụtaghị ya n'ahịa. We did not buy it in the market, but we got it from the Igbo alphabet. It's like English alphabet, where you have the consonants and the vowel. You don't get it from another language. It is also in that same alphabet that you still get your vowels, get your consonants, and other parts of that very alphabet. Otu God n'asụsụ Igbo. Ebe anyị nwetara gịnị Udaume Na Mgbochiume. Yeah, Udaume Na Mgbochiume. And the last week I gave us the tip of an iceberg of what, or a little explanation of what ya bụ akọpụtara m ọnụ ihe bụ Udaume Na Mgbochiume abụ a na-akpọpụta ha n'ọnụ. As you are pronouncing them, they have sound. Ya wee na-akpọpụta dịka a, dịka ị, dịka e, dịka o, u, na dịgawazịa. Abịasị na Mgbochiume bụ the consonants. Onwego ụda chacha. Ya bụ na ịma atụ dịka le bụ gịnị Mgbochiume. Otu a le dị ugbu a, le enweta gịnị ụda naanị le. Mana ọ bụrụ na gị tinyezie ya agbakwunye a, enye gịnị la. Ịhụ na gịnị na o nwela gịnị ụda, mana ebe bụ nke enweghị ụda. Like I was saying, consonants have no sound. Consonants have sound if you add it a vowel, either as the prefix or the suffix or the eglitics. So in this aspect, this consonant, this very sound, has no sound of its own. It doesn't have sound. It is only this very vowel here, a, that is giving this very L a sound. And we have la as per go. La, go. Are you getting it? But remove this A. This L has no meaning. It becomes like a word, like a sentence that has no final verb. It is what? Meaningless. Okay? We call it phrase. But we are not dabbling into that. We are learning about consonants and vowels in Igbo language. Yabu Udaume Na gịnị Na Mgbochiume. Udaume Na Mgbochiume. Ọ bụ ihe na-ede maka ya gịnị taa. N'atụfughị oge, ọ ga-amasị m ka anyị banye na ya n'egbughị oge ọbụla. Ya bụ ọmụmaatụ. Mana tupu m ede ya, ọ ga-amasị m ka anyị kọwaa ihe bụ gịnị ụdaume. Ọ ga-amasị m ka anyị kọwata ihe bụ ụdaume tupu anyị enyewa gịnị ọmụmaatụ ha. Ka a kọwata ya ka ọ ga-abụ ịfụ ya ọ bụgodị na ohere na onye ọcha nọ gị n'akụkụ inwewe ike ịkọwanwu ya kpọmkwem, gwa ha gịnị ihe gịnị nke gara ebe gịnị ebe ọ gara. Ụdaume. Ụdaume bụ mkpụrụ asụsụ ndị ahụ ọ na-abụ a na-akpọ ha anaghị enwe mgbochi ikuku n'ọwa akpịrị. Anaghị enwe mgbochi gịnị ikuku, ya bụ ha bụ mkpụrụ ndị ahụ na-enwe ụda n'oge a na-akpọpụta ha, n'oge mkpọpụta ha. Ka m depụta nke a, ka m depụta ebe a ga-afụ ya gịnị anya n'oge mgbapụta ha. Ka anyị gụmazie ya nke ọma ebe ọ ga-ekwe gịnị ọ ga-ekwe anyị nghọta. Aga m eji nwayọọ nwayọọ na-eso ya. Nwayọọ nwayọọ na-eso ya ka anyị nweke gịnị nghọta ya gịnị nke ọma. Ụdaume bụ mkpụrụ asụsụ ọ na-abụ a na-akpọpụta ha anaghị enwe mgbochi ikuku, ya bụ ha bụ mkpụrụ edemede ndị ahụ na-enwe ụda n'oge mkpọpụta ha. Ya bụ ha na-enwe ụda. They have their own sound. There is no obstruction of what? Air on the vocal cord. There is no obstruction of what? Air. Ya bụ anaghị enwe mgbochi gịnị ikuku n'ọwa akpịrị. Okay? When you are pronouncing them, there is no obstruction here. Nothing hinders the air from moving out. Okay? Hinders at the vowel. Ya bụ enweghị gịnị mgbochi gịnị ikuku n'ọwa akpịrị. Ọ bụ ya kpatara eji akpọ ya gịnị ụdaume. When you look at it, you will understand it. Ọ ji akpọ ya gịnị ụdaume. Okay, we have the examples of ụdaume. Ha dị asatọ. ha dị naanị asatọ n'asụsụ Igbo. That means there are only words 8 in number. We have imat. Imat is example. Okay? Imat in English, it is called example. A, E, O, O, E, I, O, U. There are only words 8 in number. A, E, I, O, O. E, I, U, O. So, in Igbo alphabet, we have them 8. 8 in number. And they are, these ones we just, or I just wrote on the white board. They are also divided into 2. This one has its own name. This one has its own what? Name. Like this one belongs to, it is alpha, it is vowel, but it is a kind of vowel. This one is also a kind of vowel. So we are going to explain them. Okay? Yeah, we are going to explain them. So I would like to clean the upper one if maybe you are done writing, so that it will enable us to forge ahead with the other ones. So I am wiping these ones out. I am wiping them out. I am wiping them out. Yeah. So that was why I once told us that whatsoever the English language has, Igbo language also have it. Okay? We also have it. So, and that is it. So I will stop here so that I will write these ones here. Okay? Here. Udaume dị ụzọ abụọ. Ha bụ ụda mfe na ụda arụ. ụdamfe na ụdarụ. Ihe eji kpọọ nke a ụdamfe bụ n'oge a na-akpọpụta ya, ọ na-adị mfe gịnị n'ọnụ, ya bụ ọ naghị akpụ akpụ. The reason why this one is called Udaume, this group of vowel, the reason why they are called Udaume is during their pronunciation, you can easily pronounce it without having any hitch on the tongue. It will not be somehow heavy. Okay? Your tongues will not be somehow restricted when you are pronouncing this group of words, vowel we call Udaume. Okay? But this Udaru, this one's called Udaru, whenever you are pronouncing them, you will experience a kind of a slow pronunciation. It will be as if the air is somehow how to push out, like your tongue is being restricted when you are pronouncing the Udaru of a thing. So, Ima to her, we are going to write them so that we will understand which one that belongs to what, which one. Okay? It is very, very, very simple. Udaume ọmụmaatụ. Ọmụmaatụ. Udaume a na-akpọ ha otu A. We call it A group. Okay? The A, A, U, A, E, O, that is what we call this one. Udaume. A, E, O, for what? Udaume. We call it A group. A group. Yabu A group. A, E, O, Then Udaru. This one is for this. Number 2. Udaru. Otu A. Otu A. Okay? A, E, U, O. A, E, U, O. Remember, we are still treating Udaume. Yeah. These are the vowels we have in Igbo. Group A are these. Group E are these ones. Okay? The difference between these two are two differences. One, Udaume na-enwe ntụpọ n'okpuru. That is, the A group has dots under them, and their chief is A, that is A. Okay? Udaume na-enwe ntụpọ n'okpuru belụsọ A. Belụsọ A. Mana ụda arọ anaghị enwe ntụpọ na gịnị n'okpuru. The difference is during the pronunciation of Udaume, the air goes out freely without any hitch, any struggle. But do the pronunciation of Odaro, A, E, U, O, you see that you force yourself to push the air. But during the pronunciation of Udaume, A, E, O, it goes out freely without any disturbance. Okay? Yeah. And that is for what? For the vowel. That is Udaume. That Udaume. Please, I haven't forgotten. I said concerning the homonyms, there are some words also that we're going to look into, but it will be after treating this word. Then I'll just go in there and touch it a little bit, and then we'll close for the day. So I want you to write these ones down. I'll give you 2 minutes to look at it very well. You meditate about it, then you write it. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes. After writing it, then I will wipe it off. Then we'll enter into Mgbochiume. Okay? Yeah. I'm still with. Okay. I would like to use these alphabets to make words a word, to form a word. I want to claim from here now. Yes. I want to claim them. And clean here, and clean here too, and also here. Let me clean all of them so that we'll have enough space to write some illustration and some instances and some examples. Concerning the Udaume we are discussing about, or we are talking about, or that I'm teaching right now. So, all right. I want to use these vowels to form words so that you know which one that is peculiar to a particular group. Okay? Good. Remember that I said number 1 we have Udaume. Udaume Otu A. That means the group that belongs to A, and I wrote A, E, O, So I want to use them to form a word. Now, to write them under sequentially A, O, O. Okay, good. And we have these ones. We have anya as per I. Anya. We have I am using simple words aka as per hand. So write that one. We have Iba. Iba as per either entering or malaria. Or malaria. Okay? Entering or Iba. Some can say Ibanye. When you say Iba or Ibanye, Iba is malaria. Iba is enter. Okay? Yeah, it depends on what you have, the context of what you really want to say exactly. Okay? So, that is for this. We have Igbo. Igbo as per barking. When a dog is barking. Okay? Yeah. Igbo barking. That is it. Okay? Good. We have here Ota as per arrow. We have Odara. African apple. African apple. Look at how we are using them to form a word. You know which one that belongs to which one. You know that you are supposed to put dots. If you're making use of the vowels that belong to A, okay, that A group, they must have dots, except the A, okay? Please, except the A. A doesn't supposed to have any dot, either on the top or on the bottom. But A must have a dot under. O must have a dot under. O must have a dot under. Okay, please take note of that. We have also run. We have osa. Squirrel. Squirrel. Osa. Okay? So that you will know when and how to make use of them internationally. Anywhere in the world, you are correct. You are grammatically in Igbo language. Yeah, we is ihe a na-arụ n'asụsụ Igbo. You know? Yeah. As far as you can write it this way, you are 100% sound academically in the world. Okay? Yeah. So write it. Let me give you a chance to copy them. Copy them on your notebook so that we'll also go to OTA and see what that one will give to us. I'm giving 2 minutes to copy them, then we'll go ahead. Fast writers should write fast so that we will go on with other ones. Okay, let's go to O to A. So I am wiping one's arms now. Okay, permit me please to wipe them out because of our time. Okay, yes, because of our time, so that yeah. Okay. Here is O to A. So I'm filling this A and I'm writing A. That is A group. Udaume. Udaume. A. E. U. O. Here we have this. Antelope. Antelope. We have Eke. Python. We have Isi. Head. Isi head. Ibu. Load. Here we have Ukwe. As per chorus. west. We have okay, mouse, or rat. Okay, osi, pepper, osi, pepper. So you see it. These are the ones that belong to this. So are we done with this? Antelope, eke, python, isi, head, ibu, load. Anyone, you can write it there. Ukwe, koro, uku, west. We have okay, mouse or rat. We have osi, that is pepper. So I want you to write this one now. This one are group A. Ya bụ otu A. Enwere otu A, nke a bụ otu A. Ya bụ ụda arọ. Anyị edela ụda mfe, nke a bụ ụda arọ. All right, I will wipe this one out now. That is it for the vowel sound in Igbo language. So wherever, anyhow, anywhere, anytime, any day, any moment you come across it, this will be able to write it, and you'll be able to defend it. You'll be able to teach it to people that do not understand Igbo language. Please invite people, invite them, evangelize about this very channel, let them subscribe, share, tell people about this very channel. Now this is the best place to be. Now let us go to Mgbochiume. Mgbochiume. We have be, che, de, ge, we. We have re, we. We have he, ke, pe, kwe, le, me, ne, nge, nwe, nye, pe, re, se, she, te, ve, we, ye, ze. Yeah, today, at least, we've been able to achieve something. Be, che, de, fe, ge, we, re, we, hi, je, ke, be, we, le, me, ne, ne, we, ni, pe, re, se, she, te, ve, we, ye, ze. These are the consonants. Consonant we are talking about. That is this one. Okay? Yeah, the consonants. That is this one. Yeah. So, why are they called consonants? The reason why these alphabets, these sounds are called Mgbochiume, in Igbo language. I'm not teaching it according to English. I'm teaching it according to Igbo language. Is because during their pronunciation, there is an obstruction of air that comes out from the vocal cord. Okay? Yeah. When the liver stores the air, and when you're trying to pronounce it, you want to bring it out from the mouth, you find it somehow difficult. That some will come out from the nose, some will come out from the mouth, but there won't be any free flow to tell us the one that comes out from the nose. They are called nasal sound, okay? We have syllabic nasal, okay? Yeah, like this one. We call it velar sound. Velar sound. Anyway, we are not going into linguistic proper, but we are talking about consonants and vowel in Igbo. So the reason why this alphabet, these sounds are called Mgbochiume is because during their pronunciation, there is an obstruction of what? Air that comes out from the inside to here. Okay? That is why they are called Mgbochiume. And they are, we'll count them now. Otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itoolu, iri na otu, iri na abụọ, iri na atọ, iri na anọ, iri na ise, iri na isii, iri na asaa, iri na asatọ, iri na itoolu, iri abụọ na otu, iri abụọ na abụọ, iri abụọ na atọ, iri abụọ na anọ, iri abụọ na ise, iri abụọ na isii, iri abụọ na asaa, iri abụọ na asatọ. That means there are 28 in number. 28 in number. Okay? Yeah, there are 28 in totality. So that is it. Mgbochiume. When next we will return, we are going to use each of them to form a word. That will be next week. N'izu ọzọ, anyị ga-eji ha n'otu n'otu. That means we'll be getting 50-something or more than words from here, because we might be using each one to produce 2 or 3 words, okay? So that I will teach you how to use them to produce words. So it is simple, okay? It is simple. And we know how to manipulate it, okay? So I invite more people that there is this sound that the teacher wants to use in forming some words in Igbo language. You can't afford to miss it. So I am wiping these ones out so that I will call it a day, okay? I'll wipe it out. I'm cleaning this one now so that we'll write 1 or 2 homonyms before I then leave. Like I promised you last time that I'm going to finish the homonyms. There are many of them, but there's another one you may be, surprised. You may be mistaking it, thinking that there are other ways you can write them differently, but no, you can't write them differently. You write them the same way, but they have different marks and different meanings. So let's go to that one now, before we then call it a day. Isi. Isi. This one is blind. Easy. This one is cooking. This one is head. Have head, church. I will explain this. We have HD. We have HL. Here we have LL. Let me explain this. High. High downstairs. High low. Low. Okay? Yeah. Easy. High. Easy. High downstairs. Easy. High low. Easy. Low. So that is it for today. I believe you were able to get something today. At least you have seen another aspect of our teaching today. That is why I'm saying invite people. Let it not be that you are the only one enjoying this teaching. There are people out there that are longing to enjoy this very teaching. Yes, they really want to enjoy this. Tell them that it is happening live and direct. Tell them it is happening live and direct at Lean on Me with Passion TV. When you come there, we are always on through the weekend. Saturday, So now, even sometimes during working day, anything can happen. Come there, you view, you watch. You can't afford to miss it. It's the best place to be. It's the best place to be. Okay. So thank you so much for coming today. Thank you. I believe that my students, though I can't see your faces, but you guys can see my face. So I say thank you so much. Remember, you are the best. You are the best. Okay? And also, remember, like our mommy always say, you are unstoppable. So thank you so much for being part of today's teaching. Ubochinta, Kaicho, no wrench. Bye-bye for now.